A Range Rover SUV returning from Jammu airport after dropping Bollywood star Akshay Kumar was seized by the traffic police on Tuesday for violating local traffic regulations by having fully black-tinted windows, an official confirmed. The incident occurred shortly after Akshay Kumar's visit to Jammu, where he had come to inaugurate a new showroom. The actor's presence drew a large crowd of fans from across Jammu and Kashmir, eagerly awaiting his arrival at the Dogra Chowk area to witness the opening of a jewelry showroom. Akshay Kumar's visit was part of his promotional activities ahead of the release of his upcoming film, Jolly LLB 3, scheduled to hit theatres on 19 September 2023. During the event, the actor expressed his gratitude to the people of Jammu for their warm reception and enthusiastic support. Following the inauguration, Akshay was driven to Jammu airport in the same Range Rover SUV. However, on its return journey after dropping the actor off, the vehicle was stopped by the Jammu traffic police at Dogra Chowk for violating traffic rules. Assistant Sub-Inspector Nasir Hussain of the Jammu Traffic Police stated, the vehicle has been seized as it has fully black-tinted glasses, which is against the rules. According to Jammu and Kashmir's Motor Vehicle Act and related traffic regulations, vehicles with excessively dark-tinted windows obstruct visibility and are prohibited for safety reasons. Such violations can lead to fines, vehicle seizure, and legal action. The seized vehicle, registered under the number CH1AL7766 from Chandigarh, has been sent to the Additional Mobile Magistrates Traffic Court in Jammu for further legal proceedings. This is not the first time authorities in Jammu and Kashmir have strictly enforced window tinting laws. The move reflects ongoing efforts to improve road safety and compliance with traffic norms in the region. Akshay Kumar, a popular Bollywood actor known for his versatile roles and action-packed performances, frequently travels across India for film promotions and public appearances. His visit to Jammu was warmly received, highlighting the city's growing importance as a cultural and commercial hub. The actor's film Jolly LLB 3 is eagerly awaited by fans, promising a mix of courtroom drama and social commentary, continuing the legacy of its previous successful installments. People might not realize I have two sides, one very extroverted and another quite shy. These honest words from Ahaan Panday during an old Instagram live session have resurfaced and struck a chord with fans, offering a glimpse into the actor's personality beyond the spotlight. The throwback video has gone viral in the midst of Ahaan's skyrocketing success following his Bollywood debut in Saiyaara. Directed by Mohit Suri, the romantic drama has taken the box office by storm and made Ahaan one of the most talked about newcomers in the industry. Released on 18th July, Saiyaara has already raked in a massive 319.85 crore rupees in India and 538.25 crore rupees globally. Both fans and critics are praising Ahaan's powerful performance, marking an impressive start to his cinematic journey. The wave of Saiyaara's success has led to a resurgence of Ahaan's earlier videos, now being widely shared across social media. In one of the most beloved clips, Ahaan is seen chatting with fans on Instagram Live and talking about his emotional reunion with his sister, Ahaan Panday, in Los Angeles. I had surprised her a month ago by visiting La for the first time in my life. I had never been there before, he shared in the video. After being apart for nearly 18 months, the meeting was a special one. I had missed her a lot, as we hadn't met in a year and a half, he said. Despite their close bond, Ahaan admitted that he felt unexpectedly shy when he saw her again. People might not realize I have two sides, one very extroverted and another quite shy. This personal and relatable revelation has only deepened his connection with fans. Another resurfaced fan-favorite video shows Ahaan alongside cousin Ananya Panday as they recreate a scene from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. The duo channeled the beloved characters Rahul and Anjali, paying homage to Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's timeless chemistry. Long before his film debut, Ahaan had built a loyal following through his dubsmash videos, where he recreated iconic Bollywood scenes. Now, with Saiyaara soaring and his authentic personality winning hearts, Ahaan Panday is proving he's more than just a rising star, he's here to stay. Isha Malviya, known for her popular Marathi song Shaky and her appearance on Bigg Boss, recently found herself at the center of unexpected rumors. Reports claimed that she was the first choice for the hit Bollywood film Saiyaara before being replaced by Aneet Padda. However, Isha has now stepped forward to put these speculations to rest. Taking to Instagram, Isha expressed her surprise at the circulating rumors, writing, "What is wrong with the media pages? Kindly stop spreading fake news, guys. Movie tak baat pahunch gayi aur mujhe hi nahi pata." She urged everyone to avoid sharing unverified information and firmly ended any talk about her involvement with the film. The actual leads of Saiyaara, newcomers Ahaan Panday and Aneet Padda, have quickly made a name for themselves with the film's massive success. Their fresh performances and strong on-screen chemistry have won over audiences across the country. The movie has been a blockbuster, grossing 300 crore rupees in India within just 2 weeks and earning over 500 crore rupees worldwide. It also set a record for the highest grossing opening day for a debutant-led film, creating a significant buzz in Bollywood. Meanwhile, Isha continues to make waves in the music world. Her latest music video Shaky, composed by Sanju Rathod, has become a major hit. The catchy Marathi track, combined with trendy dance moves, has garnered millions of views on various platforms. Before Shaky, Isha showcased her versatility by appearing alongside Gauhar Khan in Dremyata's Lovely Lola, further establishing herself as a promising talent. With her rising popularity and recent clarifications, Isha Malviya remains one to watch. Stay tuned for more updates on her journey in music and entertainment. Veteran actress and Member of Parliament Jaya Bachchan has once again made headlines for her temper in public. A new video, now viral on social media, shows the actress losing her cool at an event in Delhi. The incident took place at the Constitution Club, where Jaya was seen arriving for an event. A man approached her to take a selfie, But the actress did not take it lightly. She instantly pushed the man aside and said sternly, "क्या कर रहे हैं आप? What is this?" The moment was captured on camera and quickly spread across platforms, sparking a wave of reactions from the public and celebrities. One of the most outspoken responses came from actress and fellow MP Kangana Ranaut, who took to her social media to slam Jaya's behavior. In a scathing post, Kangana wrote, "People put up with her tantrums nonsense just because she is Amitabh Bachchan ji's wife." She also called Jaya the most spoilt and privileged woman. While the internet continues to debate the incident, it's worth noting that Jaya Bachchan had addressed similar situations in the past. On her granddaughter Navya Naveli Nanda's podcast, What the Hell Navya?, Jaya opened up about her frustration with media intrusion and uninvited public attention. "I despise the people who interfere in your personal life and fill their stomachs by selling those products. I hate it, I'm disgusted with such people," she said. "I always tell them, आपको शर्म नहीं आती है?" When asked if she expected such scrutiny after entering the film industry, Jaya admitted, "I never catered to it or endorsed it, but I felt it from day one." While she's open to criticism about her professional life, she drew a line when it comes to her personal space. "You have an opinion about my work, I understand. You criticize it, you cut it into pieces, I accept. But you have no business sitting in judgment of my personal character." Jaya has been in the news before for similar confrontations, whether scolding a fan at Manoj Kumar's prayer meet or calling out a man for clicking her photo outside a restaurant. On facing online trolling, Jaya commented, "You're intruding, interfering in my personal life when I'm walking somewhere. You're taking my picture. Why? Am I not a human being?" As the debate continues, her remarks raise a larger question: where is the line between public interest and personal privacy?